5 types of oil and how to use them for cleaning. Welcome to our FastKlean channel. Check out our videos. You'll surely find something useful for your day-to-day life. Vegetable oil. As you go through your home, you will find out how to clean your home using all natural and affordable homemade cleaners. You can get rid of any kind of stains, organize your home, and keep your garage and car in good condition using some of the most common products that you store in your cupboards. This also includes vegetable oil, which is surprisingly a wonderful cleaning alternative for wood floors. All you need to do is mix equal parts of white vinegar and vegetable oil in a spray bottle and then apply the solution to your wood floors. Don't forget to shine the floors using a clean cloth up until the applied solution is gone. Olive oil. Olive oil is not only a healthy cooking choice, but it is also an effective natural cleaning alternative to today's conventional cleaning products. By using a little bit of oil along with some vinegar, you can get rid of the grime in your stainless steel appliances. It can also repair scratches, restore the color, and add some luster to your otherwise old and worn-out leather seats. It can also be used to condition your wooden kitchen cabinets. Mix it with lemon juice and rub it over wooden tables, chairs, and cabinets. Coconut oil. Coconut oil is extremely popular not only as a beauty aid, but also as a household cleaner. It can be used in the kitchen as a utensil cleaner. It can make your stainless steel appliances shine and help get rid of baking residue from the cookie sheet. It can help sanitize your wooden cutting boards and prevent stains in your plasticware. Baby oil. Whether or not you have babies in your house, you should always keep a bottle of baby oil. If you have golf clubs at home, you don't have to purchase expensive cleaning kits because you can just use baby oil instead. It can also remove soap scum and dirt that may have built up in your shower stall or bathtub. Just wipe the surfaces with baby oil using a moist cloth. You can also shine stainless steel sinks as well as chrome trim using this simple and ubiquitous product. Additionally, it is an effective leather shoes and bags polisher. Simply add a few drops of baby oil to a soft cloth and give life to your dull pair of leather shoes or old leather bag. Moreover, you can cover scratches on your car's odometer or other indicators on the dashboard of your car using baby oil. Pine oil. Pine oil is a common ingredient that is often found in some of today's most common household products. With many homeowners paying more attention to the health of their family, natural cleaning supplies and solutions have risen in popularity over the past years. Pine oil can be used to clean the floors, as a cleaning spray, disinfectant liquid, and disinfecting wipes. It can get rid of dust, dirt, and oil. It works well when it comes to disinfecting germs and in keeping various kinds of surfaces clean and bright. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you're always updated whenever we upload new videos. Check the descriptions below for a list of our favorite products that we highly recommend.